Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you digital marketing. So let's start. Type on your Chrome digital marketing. Digital marketing, also known as online marketing, refer to advertising delivered through digital channel to promote brand and contact potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication such as search engine, website, social media. Digital marketing defined plus strategy marketo engine. What are the three types of digital marketing? Types of digital marketing: search engine optimization. The Google of SEO is to get a business to rank higher in Google search result, ultimately increasing search engine traffic to the business website. Pay per click. Social media marketing. What is what is an example of digital marketing? Example of digital marketing includes social media marketing, SMM, search engine optimization, SEO, search engine marketing, SEM. Is digital marketing easy? What is digital marketing? Beginner. What is skill do you need for digital marketing? How do I become a digital marketing? So come step to become a digital marketing. Step 1, complete a bachelor degree. Step 2, learn important digital marketing skill. Step 3, consider certification, boot camps and courses. Step 4, get your first entry level digital marketing jobs. Step 5, earn master degree in digital marketing. How to become a digital marketing 2022. What are benefits of digital marketing? Global search. Traditional marketing is reached by geography, and creating an international marketing champion can be hard, expensive as well as labor intensive. Local reach, lower cost, easy to learn, effective targeting, multiply strategies, multiply contact type, increased engine. What is digital marketing job?